So, hi everyone. So, hey. So my name is Ace. I'm very shy of in camera, but of course, some of you guys known me as the sorry for the background noises, by the way, guys. But some of you guys known me as the arm wrestler called the Balingasag Ho. But I changed my sport, guys. But I will be back soon in arm wrestling. I'm just um doing something new. And anyways, though, let's move on from that topic. So today we're going to rate boxing shoes that is very, very underrated. It is from Lazada. If you're in the Philippines and you're finding affordable boxing shoes or fighting shoes, actually fighting shoes in the Philippines in Mindanao, specifically in my country, right? Or no, I mean in my region actually. It is expensive. It like the boxing shoes here in Cagayan de Oro City. You guys can search it in the SM Mall. Okay, here's a picture that one. So yeah, it's very expensive inside there because the boxing shoes there is like 2K, 3K, 5K. There is no 1,000 at all. But these boxing shoes, guys, we're going to rate right now is going to be the most affordable, very budget friendly. Actually, this one was like discounted, of course. Like the original price from this guys right now, I like the original price, okay, was 2000 2000 plus. Yeah, I'm just gonna show the picture right here. So yeah, that's a picture of the boxing shoes, and the original price. But right now it is on sale. So get it right now, guys. Actually, it's on sale right now in Lazada. I am really recommending you guys, if you're a boxer, you're finding budget friendly boxing shoes. This is what I recommend for training, for sparring, for boxing match, of course. Um, this is going to be your best boxing shoe. It's not the best, but it's gonna be slightly bit. But I will show you a video. But let's go open it because I already opened it, by the way. But let's just open it again. So let's go. So this is the inside of this one, guys. Boxing shoes. Actually, there was a cardboard and then lace. Actually, there's a lace here, by the way. So actually, the lace was like inside on the boxing shoe. So you guys need to find it where was on in the right foot of the shoe, or the right, I mean left foot in the shoe. Okay. So anyways, let's move on. Let's open up. This is his bag, by the way, guys. This is a very good bag. You see, it's literally, it says boxing shoes, by the way, guys. Okay, it's just inverted. So anyways, so here we go. So the only problem right now that you guys have to put the lace on. Like when I opened this, actually, um when I opened this, the lace was not tied or was already here in the shoe. You have to lace up. So you have to find a tutorial or just do it on your own. Like it's just like the same as lacing a shoe, but this one is an uh the same, slightly the same, pero yun, higher. Yeah, higher lang siya kasi high cut ito so ganon. Anyways, though, this is the left foot. Actually, this is left foot. So this is what it's design, guys. Okay, it's a very interesting design, but it gives the work very, very done. It's so good, by the way, guys. It's very, very good. So yeah, this is how it looks. So yeah, you can see that's boxing, by the way. That's yeah, that's boxing. It's just baliktad lang or like inverted again. Sorry. By the way, guys, my language is Bisaya, so that's why I'm sleeping in my original state of my language. Anyways, though, so the design of this boxing shoe is very good. The quality inside of here actually is so good. See? But in a very like long term, I guess this would be like on 1 month, 6 months, or 12 months, maybe 1 year. I don't know. I guess. Um, but if you guys cannot afford a very higher boxing shoes, that I would recommend Adidas, by the way, or Nike. For me, my preference is Nike. A Nike boxing shoes, but it's just so expensive, so I have to save up. So if you guys are wanting to find affordable, this one is your bet. So yeah, this is the Pine Star. So I already show you the picture here again. So yeah, that's a picture of the shoe, and here right now, it's literally called here Brave, or I don't know what's this. Strive. Yeah, it's literally have a strive. So the I don't know here, guys, it's like a silicone. Like it's like a mix of wrestling boots, I guess, right? Wrestling shoe, sorry, wrestling shoe and basketball shoe, because it's spike. It has a spike literally. When I do this, wait lang. Yeah, wait lang, guys. Listen for this one. Yeah, it has a spike, so it's very good quality, and yeah, I will just provide the link, guys, that is from this shoe, of course, because I want you guys to have this, of course, and let's help the original seller from this. By the way, guys, this is from Hong Kong. So if you really need this right now, you have to buy it earlier, because if you guys do not buy this earlier, then you are just gonna waste your time. You're just gonna miss the opportunity. So yeah, I'm just gonna suggest that if you can get this, this is only my original price is right this one. That's the original price, but it's very good quality, guys. And I'm gonna try this for tomorrow. My first ever tryout. I don't know if there's someone's gonna video me, or I don't know. But anyways, this is just a video of reviewing this and recommending this boxing shoes. Anyways, guys, sorry, it was cut off because my mother was here. Anyways, though, so if you guys are finding interesting stuff, just comment below, because I do have a coming video. For me, I will have a video of a tryout, maybe. I don't know if there will be someone who will be recording me. And next thing was I will be buying a new boxing gloves, of course, because it's really need, like really need. I guess 16 ons, like lace up only, because I really love the 16 ons lace, because if I do not get the lace boxing glove, sorry, it's just very uncomfortable, because I am using uh a Venom. This is, oh sorry, this is my first ever boxing gloves, guys. But anyways, let's move on from that, because I want to end this video very quick. So thank you for watching again, guys. Like and subscribe, consider that, please. That will be really helpful from this channel. I'm a very small content creator, but I'm gonna try my best to upload more videos for you all, of course, my followers and my subscribers. Yeah. So anyways, though, I'm just gonna end this video because I'm very talkative again, guys. Sorry, I'm so sorry. So anyways, thank you for watching, and God bless you all, and peace. Let us win this and fight till the end. See you next video. Peace.